very warm welcome to News and Flash column of 14th August 2021. It is presented to you by LawSeco. My name is Ankita Parida. Now let's proceed with this session. Our first news item is about the recent vehicle scrappage policy which has been launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This was a much awaited vehicle scrappage policy and now it has been enacted, and this new policy will help in phasing out the unfit and polluting vehicles across the country and promote a circular economy. As you know, there are many lakhs and lakhs of vehicles which are yet to be scrapped and recycled into the formal economy. So this policy will help in phasing out that without causing any environmental damage. The scheme will provide incentives to the owner of the old vehicles to scrap their unfit vehicles through registered scrapping centers, which shall provide the owner with a scrapping certificate. The policy advises automobile manufacturers to provide a discount of 5% on the purchase of new vehicle against the scrapping certificate. Moving to our next news item, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs launches one brand Soncharya for urban SHG products. So the Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs, Shri Durga Shankar Mishra, has today launched Soncharya, a brand and a logo for marketing urban self-help group products. This has been done previously in the terms of tribal products in the name of Tribes India brand, and this has increased the sale and standardization of the tribal area products and successfully has been doing the financial upliftment of the people in the tribal area who are generating these kind of products. So the brand and logo will similarly help the women to become financially empowered and live a dignified life, and this is one of the priority areas of the government. Based on it, Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Urban Livelihood Mission under the aegis of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, has focused on equipping the urban poor women with adequate skills and opportunities and to enable them to promote sustainable micro enterprises. It mobilizes women from urban poor households into SHGs and their federation to create a support system for these women. Over 5.7 lakh SHGs has been formed across the various states, union territories with at almost 60 lakh members. So we have a very wide network of SHGs, and many of these SHGs are engaged in livelihood activities producing goods such as handicraft, textiles, toys, etc. and so on. Moving to our next news item, Center notifies ban on single-use plastic. So this was an initiative taken by our Prime Minister in the pre-COVID time, and this has been again taken up now. The Union Environment Minister has notified that the Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rule 2021 that makes it mandatory for thickness of plastic carry bags to be increased to 120 microns by the end of next year, and it would prohibit the manufacturer to import, stock, distribute, sell, and use several products with low utility but high littering potential. So as you know, as the microns number decrease, they create a ruckus in the environment by littering here and there, and over excessive use of plastic is also seen because of low degraded plastic, low micron plastic in circulation. So with this standardization, it will try to check the use of plastic, and it will definitely ban the single-use plastic in the long term. The permitted thickness of plastic bag currently is 50 micron. This will be increased to 75 microns by September 30, 2021 and 120 microns from December 31st, 2022. The notification is in line with India's stand at the 4th United Nations Environment Assembly held in 2019, when the country moved a resolution on addressing single-use plastic product pollution by 2022. Moving to our next news item, Luxembourg Honorary Consul in Kolkata gets Order of Merit. Rajat Dalmia, Honorary Consul of Luxembourg in Kolkata, was on Thursday awarded with Order of Merit of Grand Duchy of Luxembourg for his long-standing service for more than 12 years. Announcing the award at the event in Delhi, Luxembourg Ambassador to India, Jean-Claude Cugner, praised Dalmia's effort in reinforcing bilateral ties between European nation and West Bengal and recalled that Luxembourg is a 16th foreign direct investor in India. Dalmia is director of Quality Tea Plantation Private Limited and is also associated with Dalmia Real Estate and Dealers, Ishita Holdings, Quality Leases and Lifestyle, Equality Production, among others. He is an executive committee member of Tea Association of India, FICCI, New Delhi, and the Indian Chamber of Commerce in Kolkata. Moving to our next news item, Assam House passes cattle bill. So this was a very conflictive bill which was in news nowadays, and this bill has been passed by the legislative of Assam. So the Assam Legislative Assam Assembly has passed the bill of Cattle Preservation Bill 2021. And based on it, cow can only be slaughtered with a government permission now, and the bill says that they can be only slaughtered in a licensed slaughterhouse. Such facilities, however, cannot operate within 5-kilometer radius of temples. Also, in areas where non-beef eating communities have a majority. Neither can cow meat be sold or brought in such localities, and cows younger than 14 years and calves cannot be slaughtered. The bill also restricts the transportation of animals within and outside the state without government permission. As you know, Assam is sharing border with many Indian states and also some areas of Bangladesh. And based on this was a problem that the animals were illegally transported from India to Bangladesh and were slaughtered. So this bill takes care of this. And violation would be a non-bailable offense leading to a jail term of between 3 to 8 years. Previously, the jail term was very less and the fine was also very low, but this has been increased and it has become a non-bailable offense now. So this was all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to LawSikho. If you like to listen to our daily news analysis podcast, you can listen that on Spotify, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, and Anchor. Thank you.